Okay, hello guys. Today we are going to play on the EY server. Pretend that never happened. Editor, cut that out. Wait, I don't have an editor. Okay, Mojang Studios, you better put some updates. I mean, EY Stream, you better put some updates in that community chest, or you're dead to my feet. All right, I'm here. Did I really have to do that? Bro. Yes, and I am in gold and it looks like UI stream. That player has been there for 17 hours right now. Okay, we got some of this. Okay. Yeah, I got about spruce wood. No, wood. It's gish. And it's this. Yeah, I'm kind of am taking it. Alright, I can't put it there. I can't put my dirt there. I can put my dirt there. I can make a bunch of that while I have birch wood. Okay, now I have to take this. Is that polished? Okay, that's 2 whole stacks. Let's go to, oh good. And I have a job called, yeah, you see that woodcutter XP bar? Yeah, and I just getting money. Why is my W not working? Oh, my axe. Maybe I've been using it for too long. I also earn XP from doing this. I just earn points of XP. Okay, I need to craft another one. That's a chicken there. And also, you make me an iron sword. Alright, sticks. Yo. Wait, is it night? I just cracked an egg. Okay, time to get my sword out. Ooh, apple. Ooh. No birchwood can do me. Hey guys, let's see if I can make it. Oh no. I'm just making myself idiotic. Now where? Okay, it did use durability. Anyway, I need a bone, so, oh boy. I just click slash no. No. 2 seconds is too long. It takes me 7 hours. Bruh. Yeah, I am stupid. Okay, time to eat. My EPAL. I like this warp called grinders. It's got every grinder in the game. I kind of like this one the most because, yeah. Oh no. Did my sword really break? I got this. Wait, can I actually get back my arrow? No, I cannot get back my arrow. Where is it? I don't even think if it hit. And that broke. Now I have... Are those wardens? Well, I got to shoot one of them. Like, one of them got hurt. These are wardens. Anyway, I got 2 Tide armor trims from these guys, so I need more. 2 more. Can't we get the blaze rods? I got 28 XP. Wait, did I just see hoppers? Yeah, I did. And that broke. I might just, I got no armor trims. I do not want to use that right now. So, /wild. Enter. So I can go in the nether. Ooh, very good. I landed on top of a tree. Okay, time to make a sword. Do you know you can do that? Okay. Clearly that does not work. I should make another sword. Just in case. So I can replace that. Like Oh, that's gonna be a long fall. There's lava here? Slash spawn. I got $40. Anyway, I need to change jobs. My axe is going too crazy. Actually, I'll go to warps. Public warps. Grinders. Give me. You. Give me more. Oh my god. Where's my XP? Okay, it can't see me. Bro, this is going too slow. Okay, good. Where's the chest for this thing?
Okay. I know the way to the good one now, but do we have the post? Does Sandy have to get the post? The post. I did not.
I'll get the XP, but not the grind. Wait. Okay, I did just get XP.
I got it, Sandy.
Bro, I can see all the chats and I seriously pants them. Bro, I'm getting bored. Let's do okay, there's prison. Okay, I made 30 XP. Let me just grind for a few minutes. I need to eat some watermelon. Okay, that took me enough to get at least 30.